red and yellow pipe cleaners. Guess what we're making? Let's grab one of each. Now we loop them together. So satisfying. Watch this little shape form a petal coming to life. Just like that. Five petals ready to go. Now we bundle them together. A little glue holds everything. Look at that shape. We're pressing the center gently. So satisfying, right? And a red version too. Let's add glue here. Pressing it gently into place. Look at that fit. Now we layer the petals. So satisfying to watch. More flowers filling in. Guess what comes next? The wreath is coming alive. Green leaves going in now. Let's tuck them both sides. Here's the trick. Angle them out. Look at that balance. Now we lift and check. Almost there. One last little flower. We're placing it just right. And try it yourself.